Welcome back to Stacy Kenya YouTube channel.
If you have ever dreamt of traveling and exploring the world, you are at the right place.
Stacy Kenya create content that's all about making your travel dreams a reality.
Especially when it comes to exploring Europe through exciting programs like Au Pair in Europe, volunteer program in Germany, Ausbildung in Germany, and many more immigration opportunities.
If you want to discover everything you need to know about moving to Germany or Europe,
then be sure to stick around and watch this video until the end.
Today, I have a fantastic guide for those looking to embark on an exciting volunteer journey. Through volunteer programs like BFD, FSJ, Ausbildung, and studying in Germany. The key to kickstarting your adventure is to create an impressive CV. And here is the exciting part. You can do it all from your mobile phone. So, let's dive in and explore how to create your standout CV with the help of Lebenslauf.com right from your mobile device. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Step 1. Setting up your mobile workspace. Begin by opening your mobile browser. Visit Lebenslauf.com where you will find a user-friendly platform to get started. Step 2. Sign up and log in. To access to all fantastic CV building features, sign up or log in to your Lebenslauf.com account. If you are new, the signing up process is straightforward. Step 3. Choose the CV Creator tool to begin crafting your CV. Personal information. In German is persönliche Angaben. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, contact details, birth date, birthplace, and nationality. Step 4. Under the professional experience, in German, berufliche Erfahrung section, add your work experience, including the name of the organization and the project, or your tasks and the dates. Step 5. Education section. In German, Ausbildung. Put your educational background, specifying your highest degree or college, the school or the university, and your graduation year. Step 6. Language skills and other skills. In German, Sprachkenntnisse and Fähigkeiten. If you are proficient in multiple languages or have additional skills, make sure to showcase them in this section. And remember to state language level. An example, if it's A1, A2, B1, B2. Step 7. References. In German, Referenzen. Like previous employers, to validate your experience. Once you have filled in all the sections, you can review and download your CV. You see, you have a professional CV ready in no time. So, why wait? Get your volunteer journey in Germany off to a great start by creating your CV from your mobile phone. Don't miss out on the amazing opportunities that await you. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more helpful content, and share it with your friends who are interested in volunteering in Germany.